Today I'm going to teach you how to make this kind of cool airplane. Basically, you just start with some old random pieces. First, you could get a cardboard like this big. And then you could, two of these things have those bumps. And then one of these in the middle of the long piece. And put here one of the where you drive where you drive this ship. No, not ship, a plane. This plane. Then you could put a thing onto it that you could drive on. Anyway, you could do it any way you want. You could do it like this, or I don't know. And you see those little two bumps, but one of this can match on these bumps. Two of them. Find two of them, and find two of these. It is lightly like this, but not like these kind. They have some shapes on it. You put back all of them. You could whatever color you want. Done. Then you could find to make whatever you want to make the guy's weapon. I made it all by myself with I don't know. You can put it on one side of here. I put it on here. Yeah, done. Look, I put my weapon here so you could try very good without touching the weapon. Then, look, when you like this spaceship, it looks very ugly. But when you put these like one here, I put one of these. Look, this is ugly, but when you put this like the triangle thing on it, it goes very beautiful. And you remember, you need to be a little piece down here. Then you find a bigger one. Something. I use this one. Bigger one. I put it on here. Over this two little bump on these two little bumps, and these two little bumps go to these two little. See, those. You put it on. That's the easy thing. Then you could put on some random stuff over here, but don't put two of these and then two of these down here, or you can't match the wings. So you need two of these things and two of these stripes. It looks like this. The stripes, two of these stripes, or whatever you want. But you need to match the wings. I put my two of these stripes over here. Basically like this on the back of the. So this is gonna be the plane's back. So you need some wings. The wings you could use two of these. I use two of these. If you want to be cooler, you could put three these things what I show you up here on this wing. I will do it. I like holes. I put one up here. Now it matches. You see down here? If you do it, yeah, you like this. Half of it. When you touch it, it's very weak. So when you let it not weak, you could put like anything you want here, but you need to match. the wings. Like over here, you can't be longer or shorter, and it's like. Then I put mine on. My piece on. Basically, just like that. Then you could use, and then you could let your up. So if you bump the walls, this will break, right? But if you don't want to break, you could use this. A hand up here. Using just long like this piece. I put it up here. Here. Look, like this. And I put 3 thumbs, like 3 thumbs. 1, and then 1 down here. And then the number 3, the 3 thumbs. Done, 3 thumbs. Okay, then you could put it not the end of the plant, not here, the head of the plant. Then this part is fun. You could get a ladder and a piece that you could put the ladder on, and I put it over here, right? And then this is not cool, but when this is cool plant. Yeah, other side I have too. Just like this. So if something breaks, you need to fix it. I'm using my robo hand to fix it. You could use something that connects. So connect the robo hand like this. I have, and I use some other Legos pieces to build this robo hand, just like that. When you're like, we're gonna put it on the one side, whatever side you want. I'm putting on the right side. But when this breaks, you use your robo hand to fix it. But when you don't use it, you put it here. Okay. Basically, it is very fast and it's done. You can get a square piece, then put a little flat piece on and connect it to the square piece down, not up. And then you find here this big triangle have where you could put this square. Then I put it here. Then look, when you just easy to fall off. Then I have a very good idea to fix it. You find a little piece. You put it here. And then put basically then it is more powerful than it is supposed to be, like this. You know, this is powerful. Yeah, like this. And then you see, but this is when you easy to fall off. So I put a long flat piece over here. I know 1 here and 2 here. Actually, I'll do it here because it's more cool. Like this. Then I put my people. And let my people drive my Okay. Here we go. A good spaceship.